Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Equalizer Apo is installed as admin, then restart Windows to apply the driver. Once done, open the configurator and enable the exact playback device you use. Make sure its checkbox is checked. Next, launch the configuration editor. You will edit the global config or the device-specific file. These steps activate Apo for your hardware, so you can hear changes instantly. Do this now, because without enabling the device, no equalizer will work. You will now edit filters in the configuration editor. Add a preamp line first and set a safe negative value if you expect clipping. Then add parametric EQ bands, specify frequency, Q, and gain for each, and adjust one band at a time so you can hear the effect. Once a few filters are set, play a pink noise track or measurement sweep while monitoring with a measurement mic, because this shows you how the curve changes in real time and prevents accidental boosts. You finish by saving the configuration editor changes and restarting any audio apps. Sometimes a full Windows restart ensures the Apo driver is loaded. If you lose sound, open Configurator again and confirm your playback device remains checked, because updates can uncheck it. If problems persist, disable Windows sound enhancements for that device, then reinstall Equalizer Apo and review the install log. That single troubleshooting tip. Check device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.